Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you how we do car wash here in the States, because in the Philippines, you know, we normally have someone do it for us, like manually. So I'll show you how we did a car wash for my car, because my car needs it so bad. And syempre, my car needs some cleaning, so we are at the car wash. Look at that.
This thing needs it pretty badly.
Yes. Look at those.
I'm about to fall asleep.
Oh my gosh, it's like a mirror. I can see you up here. Look at that. It's like rain. And there you go. They're doing the vacuum. Do you see all of those?
Yeah, it's not a vacuum, it's a fan.
Oh, a fan. Oh, do you see that? See over there? See? It's like a fire. There you go. It's a fan. And look. Good, good, good.
I like how there's like a bunch of holes in the parking lot when you're about to leave the place. So like you just washed your car and then you hit the puddle and now it's dirty again.
I know, but look how long the line. We waited. Oh, that takes a while. But yes, our car is clean. Let me just check if it's clean. Yep, it looks shiny and bright. Awesome. Let's look at the top. Yep, it is. Good, good, good. For sure it needs bath.